Welcome. This is WAEC 2024 OBJ Objective Questions. This is number 28. The question said factorize completely 27x squared minus 48y squared. Right? So we have the options here. Now, therefore, we're going to be simplifying this, okay? So till we arrive at any of these here, right? So we're going to have right. So I would like you to take your time, okay, to see what you are going to do. Pause it, do it yourself, then come back so you see. Check the validity of your result after working it out. So we have this. Now what I'm going to do from here is that permit me to write this back. 27x squared minus 48y squared. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be factorizing, right? Factorization is very, is the key here. So now we have this 27 can be, I can have 3 here, can be like 3 multiplying 9, then I have x squared, then minus here 3 is multiplying 16 because 3 times 16 must give us 48, then multiplying y squared. So we will have multiplication here. So now when we look at this now, we can see we have something common. So what is that thing? I have 3 here and I have 3 here, right? So now I can factorize out this 3 now by saying 3 outside. So everything here divided by 3, you can see I'm going to be left with 9x squared. 9x squared. But this 9 here, don't forget that this 9x can be written as 3 to the power 2, then multiplied by what? X squared, then minus here. If you say all of this here divided by 3, we're going to have 16, right? Then 16 also can be expressed as 4 square, then multiply by y squared. So now from here, the next thing we are going to do, now we have 3 outside, right? 3 outside, then we're going to have this place here. You can see that 3 and x are having the same power, so we can have it to be 3x everything all to the power of 2. So it's the same thing. So these two will be affecting 3 and also this x, which is the same thing with what we have here. The same thing we are going to do here. 4 and y will be inside, then we have the power outside. So now from here, what's the next thing we are going to do? So now what we are going to do now here is, now kindly remember what we use in what we call difference of two squares. You have a squared minus b squared. So this is going to give us a minus b, then a plus b. That is difference of two squares, right? So if you look at what we have inside here, so it's like this. So therefore we are going to have 3 into bracket. So this is 3x is like my a. I'm going to have 3x, then minus, and 4y is like my b, 4y. Are you getting it now? Then into bracket. So we pick the second one, which is for addition, plus in between 3x plus 4y. So and that's all. So now let's try to check here now. Let's see the one that looks the same like this. So what is it? So we have the first one plus in between them. So no. So look at the b here. We have 3 into bracket 3x plus 4y. They bring this first. This one is come first, and this one came third. You see the same thing because it's multiplication in between them. Whether you have a times b times c, or you have a times c times b. Are you getting now? So far it is a multiplication. So multiplication in this sense is commutative. You can multiply, you can bring this one first, bring the other one, first, and so on. So therefore we have what we have this b to be the solution, right? So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Kindly share to your colleagues and follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye bye.